Welcome back to Dedot's Kitchen. Today we're exploring cinnamon, the sweet, aromatic spice that's more than just flavor. Cinnamon has powerful benefits for food, hair care, healthy drinks, and even home care. Let's uncover how this spice can transform your lifestyle. In the kitchen, cinnamon adds warmth and sweetness to meals. It's perfect in oatmeal, baked goods, and even savory stews. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, supports heart health, and is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals. This makes it a spice that's both delicious and healing. Cinnamon stimulates blood flow to the scalp, encouraging hair growth. A cinnamon and honey mask nourishes hair, while cinnamon oil strengthens strands. Its antimicrobial properties help fight scalp infections, making cinnamon a natural solution for hair care. Cinnamon tea aids digestion, boosts metabolism, and helps fight infections. Adding cinnamon to coffee or smoothies enhances flavor while supporting blood sugar balance. These drinks improve immunity, reduce inflammation, and promote overall wellness. Cinnamon makes a natural air freshener. Just simmer sticks with orange peels. You can also use cinnamon sachets to keep closets smelling fresh and deter insects. Cinnamon's antibacterial properties make it useful for eco-friendly home care. Let's highlight some of the medical benefits of cinnamon. Regulates blood sugar and may help manage diabetes. Supports heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. Improves brain function and memory, fights infections with antibacterial and antifungal properties, may reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Remember, cinnamon is powerful, so use it in moderation, especially cinnamon oil. So, cinnamon isn't just a sweet spice, it's a powerhouse for your kitchen, your beauty routine, your wellness drinks, and even your home care. Try one of these tips today and let me know how it works for you. And don't forget, Dedot's Kitchen Spice series continues with more amazing ingredients to transform your lifestyle.